Hi there, students. Corpulent, an adjective. Corpulence, the noun for the quality. Okay, corpulent is just a formal word meaning fat. He was a fat man. He was a corpulent man. You look at me, I'm a bit corpulent. Okay, so corpulent, somebody with a big body, yeah? A corpulent person, overweight, obese, fatter than they should be. So living the good life results in more corpulent people. Okay, this is a formal literary word, yeah? It just means you've got an abundance of fat. Yeah, you're overweight, plump, stout, bulky, obese. Yeah, rather tubby, portly, roly-poly, rotund, well padded, with lots of extra tires round your waist. Yeah, and this is the idea of corpulent. Having a large, bulky body. Yeah. They were a bit corpulent after too many years of privileged living. The corpulence of Americans is quite astounding. He was a rather corpulent man. Okay, fat. This describes people. I would use this adjective describing people. A corpulent dog, a corpulent pig. No, I would only use it talking about people. Okay. Let's see. As to formality, corpulent, I would give this a 7 in formality. I think you would just say fat, overweight, plump. If you were talking informally or even in a semi-formal conversation. I think you could use this in a semi-formal or formal writing, particularly something that sounds rather literary. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin corpulentus, from corpus, body, and ulentus, full of, abounding in. So full of body, a big body, yeah, stout, obese, fat. Okay, so quite a simple one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Corpulent, corpulence.